Anyone else? Any more questions? Yep, Director McClinton.
Through the chair, thank you. Yeah, I see you have noted Electoral Area G is going to be having their event on November 4th at 11. I'm just doing a shameless pop plug. I may clip this and put it to my Facebook. But could you just briefly, in your own words, just outline what the public can expect during those workshops? Those I know it's a little outside what we're supposed to be talking about here, but I think that would be a big help.
Through the chair to director, sure, happy to do that. This is step one, so you'll see on page 2 of the staff report, but for the directors and anyone that's listening, step 1 is future visioning. And so in what the public will find, these is 2 workshops that are available on each day, and for A, B, and C, there'll be 4. That'll be available on the 13th and 14th, but basically 2 that are exactly the same. And folks can attend both if they want, or one or the other. There'll be a short presentation on what's involved on the future visioning. And then there'll be a facilitated workshop, and there'll be 3 segments. The first segment will be presenting a draft vision, which is a compilation of various different submissions that we've received from the communities throughout the prior engagements, or in the case of some of the electoral areas that have completed charrettes, we will be presenting those as well. We'll be asking for the community to generate some ideas on what they like about that and what changes, if any, they would like to see. So it's going to be an affirmation process. That's first step of step 1. Then there'll be a local area description that will be presented. Many of those have been crafted from previous OCPs and also input that's been received from the community as they've been involved in setting the stage processes, which are the previous ideas fairs. And the final part of that, and here's where we start to bring in the complete community assessment, is we'll be starting to look at 4 areas: housing, transportation, daily needs, and infrastructure. We'll be asking them about what works currently in their communities and what they'd like to see in the future. And then we're going to be doing some gap analysis over the next 6 months. And we'll be looking at various scenarios, and we'll be coming back to them with scenarios and having getting inputs on that. So those 3 areas in the future visioning, the vision, the description, and the elements of looking forward in terms of actually drafting a concept plan are the exact same 3 elements that they will find on an online survey. So if they don't have the opportunity to come to the meeting, or they come to the meeting and they have more to say, they'll have a second opportunity to provide that in writing. And they'll also have another opportunity at the meeting. We'll have big boards up where they can put up stickies and they can provide information that way. So this is step 1 of 3 steps.
Thank you. Any more questions, comments?